Greetings, Vadroni Mike here. Welcome to Vadroni Mike's Airline. During today's flight, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelts in case we experience unexpected rough air. We're going to take a little tour and look at the skyline of Nashville, Tennessee. See if we can catch a few thermal images of this cell phone tower we got right here too. Let's get started. See if I can get the height on that. We'll get right up here at the base of this cell tower. Saw some birds up in here the other night. Get up here getting close and we can get them rousted. Oh shit, there's all kind of stuff up there. 20. 30 feet. I'm clearing this equipment. Oh, that looks good there. Better back up just a pinch on that. 80 feet right there. 90. 101. 110 up here at the top. Let's see where she tops at right there at the top of the mast. 129 feet, 130 feet to the lightning rod. Some helicopters come through here the other night. I was running about 200-300 feet, man. I really wasn't happy about that. Sounds like one of them coming right now. See where he's at. Yeah, right there, man. Where'd he go? Boy, I think he was right there with me, wasn't he? We'll check that later on, man. I'm at 160 feet right there. I think he's flying a little low. There's some birds cruising around up here. They stay on my toes. They look like some big ones. Pull up here right about 200 feet. See if we can get a nice shot of that sunset this afternoon. That'd be Interstate 40 between Nashville and Memphis there, running out in the distance. Well, that sun's a little hot right there this afternoon. Local landmark. Some artist painted a portrait on there of a neighborhood man. He used black and white spray cans from what I hear. Oh, there it is, right in the center of the photo, in the center of the frame. That's a nice portrait. Downtown Nashville, Tennessee, out in the distance there. Let's get on back down here. Take a look at that cell phone tower. See what kind of thermal imaging we can figure out with that thing. Let's switch the thermal and see what that says. Looks like we're running about 75 degrees ambient temperature. Let's see if we can see what these old transformers looking like back here. Damn, it's windy up there now. 105 right there in that box. Peaking at 111. Let's check some more of this stuff out. Ambient temperature on that. Looks like a hot spot back in there. Oh my gosh. 120 degrees on that hot spot. Pull back out of here a little bit. A little too hazardous up in that shit. Get a real nice overall scan all the way down this. Ambient's 85 degrees. Right there, 115 degrees, right in the center of that box. Hope that's the right operating temperature. Switch back to visible and see if we can catch a nice orbit on this. Oh, I got 1 minute till sunset. I better get out of here. Let's go right back to the top right quick.